It's been a great day. Learning a lot, meeting a lot of new people, suppliers, others that sell in the Amazon community, other ALGO learners. Wonderful. It's what I came here for. Being part of the ALGO community has helped my online business tremendously. I wouldn't be successful without ALGO. I took the majority, I'd say 95% of all their online courses. I took advantage of talking with the support staff, as well as many of the leaders, Kevin, Tim, Sophia, all of them. Whenever I email, whenever I have call, ask a question, they answer. And so they've been like a mentor, and that was critical for me to get my business up and running. It's very valuable for Amazon sellers to attend an event like this because you learn the process. You learn the basic fundamental process that you need to be successful. And if I may, I'll just give you my top three. And the first is you need to find products. If you want to sell on Amazon, you need products. And so those products, you want to be able to buy them from a verifiable, legitimate supplier. They're all here to the trade show. And it's 10,000 different suppliers here, and 200-some thousand products. What better place to find good suppliers, legitimate good suppliers and products in a trade show. And then have someone like ALGO to really mentor you about how to approach them, how to talk to them, and the steps to actually follow through and to make the purchase. Perfect. Join ALGO. Do not hesitate. ALGO can keep you from making a lot of very expensive mistakes. They have guided me through the process on how to make my first sale, as well as how to start my own brand. And if it weren't for them, I probably would have spent and lost a lot of money. So I would not hesitate to recommend someone to come to ALGO, take all the learning, use all the support before you spend any money. It's been very helpful. So for me to make my first sales, recoup the cost that I paid for the fee, I recouped that the first 60 days. From a profit standpoint, first 90 days. In our community, it's not uncommon for most people to generate their first sale within 30 days. And then I would say 90 days minimum. If you follow the ALGO process step by step, you could easily generate $1,000 in sales a month. And that's just out of the box. Once you generate experience, knowledge, and then you start picking better products or products that you identified through Profit Hunter, you could easily quadruple that.